Alright.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. The hood on the time to catch it. Aren't you like Bob Terry? Pretty, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I love too much, I love too much, I love too much. I hit my clutch and boom, birthday pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game.
I'm gonna save my food for last and get a piece of everybody else.
I don't care.
I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just.
Yeah, and she rashing at that. So, I think she can make 150.
How much is this on?
Like 175 as the deposit.
You say you do 150?
Yeah. After being coming
you
to.
can't do your head for $25?
Exactly. And after you come in 25 minutes late.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
You know, I get some more stuff too, huh?
And Jamari really felt bad because, you know, Jamari live in Jersey. She's like, you know what? Let me just do it. But then you travel from, you know, where we travel from to come to Jersey. To always at my address.
Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta reblind. You niggas tripping like I gotta see you.
Bradley, you see him?
I love it. It's so.
But you still seeing this though?
Not as much. Let's be working. Bring my own zone. Never seen. I saw
Ending. We cannot see the lace.
What's in New York? No, what's in New York?
Yo, when y'all find it, let me know.
Let me know.
The vibe.
When they come
That's it.
We got the city vibe. Like, this is the city, though. Yeah.
Yeah, but charging $600, you're not getting that from it. You're not getting that.
Not from regular clients.
At all. Maybe
But there's people that got that, though. Yeah, for a fact.
dick sucking.
Yeah.
Some lady just went viral on TikTok. Some older ladies got the red curve.
Yes, dick sucking.
It looked regular.
Yo, you a dick sucker. Like, it was. All them
Look at a regular in-store.
They're like, yeah, this is worth it. What experience did you have, ho? Oh,
He don't really talk to you. He mad quiet. He not going to. It's so fucking silky. Don't stay out. When today?
No.
Oh, but that's OT.
I'm ready to quit. Just have my hair looking cute. Cause listen.
Oh, that's OT.
Right? So that's why I'm definitely gonna have to come out with my trip. So I'm just gonna have to book it.
Or you could text each one.
Okay.
You want to text me?
Yeah.
I read the numbers better.
Okay.
It's me, I'm gonna show you.
Oh no, yeah. I already know I was gonna contact him.
Yeah, this is true.
Hey you guys, so I just came from my hair appointment. Hassan really did his thing and he's such a vibe. I love him. So yeah, he did my hair for the photo shoot tomorrow. So yeah, if I feel like I need a touch-up before the shoot tomorrow, then he said I could come. And yeah, so that's exactly what we might do if I feel like my hair is not like photo shoot ready. And then I need a makeup. Oh, so then my makeup appointment tomorrow. So yeah, now we about to do our lashes. So I'm at my lash appointment. I'm waiting for my lash tech to text back and let me know that she is ready for me. So right now it is, oh, let me go to the door. She just texted me.